welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. In this video, we'll be going over some issues that you might be having when trying to print from QuickBooks and how to delete your QBPrint file in order to resolve this issue. To get started, minimize your RDP connection window and open up a browser and go to ticket.summithosting.com in order to search our knowledge base for this issue. Once you've made it to the home page, go to the search bar in the middle of the page, type in QBPrint, and then click search. After clicking search, you'll see that our knowledge base for deleting the QuickBooks QBPrint.qbp file appears. Click on this knowledge base to open up the article, and once the article opens, you'll see there are instructions here on how to delete the QBPrint file from your server. If you scroll down to the bottom of the article, you'll see the alternative automated method. This is the method that we'll be showing you in this demonstration video, and it's a foolproof way of deleting the QBPrint file from your server if you're not that technically inclined to follow the steps above. The first step in this method is to download the delete QBPrint.zip file that's at the bottom of the page. Click download and it'll download to your local machine. Once it's downloaded, right-click on it and click Show in Folder in order to see where the file is stored on your local computer. Right-click on the file and click Copy. You can then close that File Explorer window and reopen your RDP connection to your server. Right-click on the desktop and click Paste to paste the zip file that you just downloaded to delete QBPrint. Double-click that folder, and once it opens, double-click the Delete QBPrint folder. Once you open this folder, you'll see there are two files located within it. Open up the README file first. This file will explain to you how the delete QBPrint.bat file works and where it's going to delete the QBPrint files from on the server. Once you've read the whole file, make sure you close the window, and the next thing you're going to do is open up Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and selecting Task Manager from the window that pops up. Here, you can go to the Users tab, and you'll see the users that are currently logged into the server. Make sure that no users are logged into QuickBooks. Here, we can see they aren't. So we'll close Task Manager, and the next thing you want to do is double-click the Delete QBPrint file. Click on Run, and the file will do the rest of the work for you. Once it's finished, it'll automatically close, and your QBPrint files will be deleted. Congratulations! You just learned how to delete your QBPrint files from your server, and you should now be able to print from QuickBooks without any issues. Thank you for watching this demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great day.